Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to be looking at the medals of Joseph H. Butler. Take a look. Box. It's the lesser seen box with the lid. If we consult the certificate that came with his medals, see he got the 3945 star, 3945 War Medal, and the France and Germany star, all of which are here. The ribbons unsewn. Take a look at the other side. We have his name, service number and company. I found another service number of his which indicated he was in the Royal Engineers Signals. So I took let's take a look at what I found that relates to him. So he was in the Royal Engineers Signals as a member of the 954th Railway Operating Company of the Royal Engineers. The Royal Engineers Railway Operating Companies were used for bringing supplies on trains to depots. From the depots, they would be taken in trucks to the front lines. The 954th specifically was in France after landings in Normandy in June of 1944, and it continued taking supplies in from the harbours in Normandy until the end of the war. Joseph, considering his placement in the Royal Engineers Signals, was likely one of the traffic controllers, or perhaps he was a messenger on a motorbike. Unfortunately, there isn't much more I can find on him. Though I would lean towards saying that he joined late war, probably late 44, potentially even very early 45, as he didn't have the Defence Medal, which was awarded for non-operational service. He likely would have had that if he had joined earlier. Well, I hope you've enjoyed. Have a good day, and bye.